This review is of Kroger meal kit ginger soy with noodles, veggies, and sauce. Sounds quite nice. The produce has been pre-washed. Cooks in 7 minutes. How wonderful is that? Alright, so blurb, instructions. Ingredients are really, the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Alright, well, hold on while I get this cooked up. Okay, so it took a long time to cook this to get the vegetables to be soft, especially the carrot slices. I would say this took me about 20 minutes just to soften up the vegetables. And I was busy doing something else, so the vegetables got a little bit singed between stirrings, because this is stir fry. You do have to stir it fairly regularly, and I was a little bit late because I was doing other stuff. Some of the vegetables still are not fully soft, but they're okay. So that's the first problem I had, is trying to do that. Now the second problem I had with this was the noodles. It recommends in the instructions to microwave the noodles for 45 seconds before adding to pan. And, well, I don't have a microwave, so I had to put them in the pan and just let them warm up. Now that took a long time, and they were in this block. They were very well stuck together. It's quite difficult to get them to separate into individual noodles. I had to cut and squish, and it took a couple of minutes to get it all separated out, and so that I'd have noodles throughout my meal. On some points, the instructions were a little bit vague, not horribly so, just a little bit, and that proved that might prove to be a problem for some people if they don't understand about sautéing. You need to remember that when you're sautéing, you're going to want to stir it very regularly. Not constantly, but very regularly. Especially if you put the heat up to medium-high heat, like it says in the instructions. And then, as far as the flavor is concerned, this is an Asian flavor. It's a nice ginger soy sauce. They did add sugar to it to make the flavor more palatable, I guess, to Westerners, because we've been trained to be addicted to sugar, so things that don't have sugar these days, it's hard to get people to eat them. Yeah, so I think it's an enjoyable sauce. Setting the problems I had with making this aside, just reminding you that my veggies are still kind of crunchy. I'll give it a 7. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.